Yo, I'm Geoff. This is Mini Garage. Welcome back. It's been a little bit. We are out here today. Cobb's been putting in some time on his Beat to Hell project. We got the bed in here. He's going to do a tail light change. He got these caddy buckets from Grant Fab and some taillight fillers. Got a couple of them there. And he's learning as he goes. But he's going to have a mod steel. Can you make any more noise? You could? He's got a mod steel roll pan and hidden hinges coming. Yes? Who are they from?
Driven Addiction.
Driven Addiction, the hidden hinges.
Yes.
Yeah. So before we put the roll pan on, we've got to get the hinges because we've got to trim out some stuff for them to fit. He's going to shave the tailgate handle, put it on the inside of the bed. We've got a new bed floor to go in this because he doesn't want the big ass hole. And that's just the bed. I mean, so we're gonna flip the tailgate handle. I've actually got a different tailgate because you can see how straight that one is, but we've got a different tailgate. This is his 4x4 bed off his Beat to Hell project. And he just started with this and he's kind of learning. Why don't you fold that tailgate down a little bit, Cobb, and we'll show what we got going on there. So inside, this was all open. So he made a little panel to fill this in, so it'll be all smooth. And if you set that other filler up there, and we'll kind of show what the gap was. See that gap there is what he's filled on this side. So it'll be all smooth and look nice. But right now, what's your next plan of attack here?
Finish grinding.
Finish grinding?
Finish grinding.
Get the other, are you gonna put the other filler in and gonna get it tacked or?
Probably.
Probably. All right, well, we'll come back out here in a little bit and check on you.
Wear my eye protection.
What happened?
I cut my eye.
You cut your eye doing.
I cut my eye because I did not wear safety glasses.
All right, but you had earplugs in.
I had my earplugs in.
Yeah, okay. So remember that, fellers. Eye protection. You want to be able to see what you're doing later on down the road. So all right, we'll let you get after it, Cobb.
Okay.
So when we put the other taillight filler on, we didn't have the tailgate on, and we got it in a little bit. We sucked it in here. So we got the tailgate on so we can kind of make sure we can use less filler. But we got it sitting on here, and we're gonna get it tacked into space. We did fight with the other one a little bit, and see that's got a little wow in it there for the body line. This one, body line matches up pretty good at the bottom here. This side fits better than the other side did.
I already worked it.
Oh, you did? Okay, that's
how I hurt my eye.
oh, that's why it's down. Okay,
Yeah.
There you go. All right, so, oh, I see the pen marks. All right. Go ahead and I don't care. Wherever you want to hit. Oh, let me get my, I'll have to edit that little bullshit out, but get a spot in there somewhere.
Okay. That should hold.
Okay. Find a spot there.
Is that too big of a gap?
I don't think so. I think we got it tightened up a little bit there.
Okay.
All right, and then ow! You burnt me, you little fucker. Ugh.
This fucking tack dressing.
Yep.
Does that look right before I get everything all?
That looks good there.
We're down a little bit from here.
Yeah, but I think this is from the tailgate. I mean, I think we're okay.
Okay.
What do you think? You think we're okay? Questions, comments, whatever? Damn it. Our little Craftsman job ran out of gas, and we've used it for all kinds of things for a long time for sheet metal stuff because it's a 110 and it was pretty dependable. But Eric brought over his whiz bang Harbor Freight. Look at all that digital stuff in it, and it does. You can pick thickness, wire speed, heat, all this stuff. Like, and it TIGs, it stick welds and MIG welds. And Cobb hit his first couple tacks with this thing. What do you think of this Harbor Freight job?
A little better than the Craftsman.
A little better than the Craftsman.
It actually feeds how shit.
Yeah. Okay. Well, so we're gonna get down with this thing since it's full of gas, and we'll put it through its paces and see what it does on some sheet metal. Well, I came out here to check on you before, and I didn't bring my phone, so we couldn't record. But we're back out here, and he's been tacking away on this other filler. What do you think of the new welder?
Still better.
Still better? Yeah. And then now he's gonna grind this down, make it flush, and build the filler panel for this hole, just like he did on the other side. But for the most part, still some more tacking and grinding to do. But it looks, I mean, yeah. Is custom cool? Custom's a lot. Will it be worth it in the end?
Hopefully.
All right. Well, I mean, is it? You don't know? I don't know. Custom's expensive. Well, we do what we can to keep it cheap, but we're doing it at home in our mini garage with bare minimum tools. I mean, I don't know. Is it bare minimum?
Mostly Harbor Freight.
Well, there we go. So if you can do this at home in a driveway or a small garage with an inexpensive welder and not much experience, what's your experience with custom body mods, Cobb? None of it? But you feel capable? There we go. All right, well, we'll let you get back to it. So Cobb got his little filler plate. He got his little filler plate tacked in. We were just doing that live on TikTok. Yeah, let's get over here. So he's got some tacks in here. Got this in. Now he's gonna grind this to match kind of that contour. And yeah, hit it, Cobb. Well, while Cobb keeps tacking away, and he's got that about done over there, I think. I mean, he's got some grinding to do, some smoothing out. But come back real soon. Check us out on Mini Garage. We're going to get the Caddy taillight fillers in, or not Caddy taillight fillers, but the Caddy taillight buckets that he got from Grant Fab to go in these taillight fillers, and then the mod steel roll pan and the hidden hinges. And we're gonna get the back end of this little Mazda all cleaned up for him. So we'll check you out next time. Till then, peace out.